We have a whiteout condition here. Whiteout condition. Say hello, Maribel. Can you imagine 40 minutes from Vegas? Look at this. Woo! Wow. There's people here? People crossing, Maribel?
Yeah. It's full. Oh, this hotel, the hello room, maybe. Look at that. I can find out over here. That's good. Yeah.
Look at that beautiful church. Wow, whiteout. This is kind of whiteout condition here.
Okay.
We're tracking a storm. I'm Sal. Major storm. This is Las Vegas, the mountains. 100-mile-per-hour winds. I wouldn't say it's whiteout condition at the moment, but we're going to be here. Stay tuned for more videos as we are approaching. We're about halfway up the mountain, as you can see.
People turning.
People are turning around, going back.
You maybe cannot get in, maybe.
I'm going to give you up to date on this. This is March 1st. Or March 2nd, as you can see. I wouldn't call it whiteout, but it is getting dangerous.
It's supposed to be 90 miles per hour.
Making a snowman. Sorry guys, you don't want to see me, you want to see this. Friggin' let this prison how to use it. Oh, there you go. Look at this, guys. Live. How's the connection? How's the connection? Kids playing over here. Kids playing in the snow. Looking out.
Wind scared me.
How's the Wi-Fi, Maribel?
I talked to you.
Can you see me? Go live and say.
No, I don't know.
'Cause I don't want to waste my time. Oh, he's telling people to move. Yeah. Nah, the Wi-Fi is no good. Windy. All right, March 2nd, 2024. Storm. I mean, whiteout conditions, folks. Look at this. We'll be camping here. It's hard to believe. We'll be camping here. This is where we camp when it's 117. So when you watch this video, it's 117. We were here, my beautiful wife, Kyle Canyon picnic area, and now just blizzard condition.